Hi guys, short video today on location and removal of the pollen filter on a Skoda Fabia Mk3. Now it's not the best lighting conditions here. I've got the bright sunlight and I'm in the dark cockpit area of the car, so hopefully the camera will pick most of this up for you. So anyway, locate the glove box. Underneath the glove box you can just see the filter. Now, two clips, slide the clips together and then withdraw the plastic cover. That'll leave your filter exposed. Pull that down. Now this filter was replaced about 12 months ago and already you can see there's contamination in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to order myself a new filter. I'll go for a man filter, but for now I'm just going to clean it out with compressed air and then put it back. But anyway, that's access to the filter. So that's had a clean now with compressed air until we get the new filter. So to fit it, just a reversal of the removal process. Slide the filter back into the cover and we'll put the retaining cover on there. Just slide your clips forward and backwards just to locate it. There we go, that's locked in position. All done. Simple job that wanted doing. Anyway, so I hope it's been of interest to you, and if it has, please give it a like and also consider subscribing. And again, thanks for watching.